Hello, it's Ashley, and we're continuing with our quick and easy Christmas gifts. So now we're doing a sweet orange sugar scrub. So we have the juice from half an orange, a tablespoon of orange zest, a quarter cup of large crystal sugar, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. We also have our little glass jar and a spoon so we can mix. So just add your sugar to your bowl, your orange zest, orange juice. I don't know about you guys, but I love orange. This smells amazing. And then our coconut oil. Orange is like one of my favorite scents in the world. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but my dog is like, you can hear his little toenails ticking on the floor. There he goes. He's standing down here staring up at my face. If you were following along, you heard me talking about my dogs and food. Yeah. He's the foodie. The other one's a foodie too, but this one is a major foodie. So now I was making these sugar scrubs before. I was talking about people adding food dye and how I just don't think there's a reason. Look how beautiful orange that is. You don't need to add food dye to that. Now it's 100% natural. It's perfect. It smells wonderful. It's the perfect shade of orange because it came from an orange. It's wonderful. Okay, so then you're just going to scoop this into your jar. So just like all the other ones, I'll finish it up nicely. I'll get it all packaged up like you would for a present, and I'll take a picture of it at the end. And remember, these are not just for Christmas. I do have some that, yes, they are definitely geared towards Christmas. But please, I would take orange sugar scrub in the middle of summer. That's a summer beverage. Okay. So there it is. It's beautiful. I just love the orange shade of that one. It's like a nice red ribbon for Christmas and maybe some like red berries on it. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you saw and you want to continue watching, we have lots more to go. Subscribe below.